Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be bringing you a really cool gadget. I needed this the other day to resize a bracelet that I had. You could also resize your watch. This is used to remove the little pins that hold together these links. So we will do a full demonstration of this cool little tool. I picked this up on eBay for $5. Here's a picture from my eBay listing. This is a pretty cool gadget. This is all you get. It's a small little box. Let's open it up. It's basically a press that you have a pin mechanism, and all you do is you turn a screw here. This is what it looks like. You turn this screw in and out, and you have a little pin mechanism here that literally manually pushes out the link from either your watch or your bracelet. You also have an included 3 separate little pins in case you wind up breaking this little one. You can just unscrew the pin here and replace it. We're just going to use the one that's included now and see if that will do their job. The base height is also adjustable. You have a little wheel here at the bottom that you could spin to adjust the height in case you want it to be very level so you don't apply any kind of diagonal pressure. For now, I will just keep mine at the bottom like this, and I think it will be fine. So for now, why don't we just remove one of the little pins from this bracelet. A lot of these bracelets have kind of a tension pin inside. All you have to do is insert it on the side with a little slight opening. And I could see the slight opening is here on this side because the other side is flush mounted. So we're gonna put it like this and basically allow the pin here at the bottom to find its hole. Once it lands, just make sure that it is secured. Okay, so now I've pretty much got it there. So you see guys, this is the way this mechanism works. You screw it in so far as to make contact with the pin inside here, and then you simply allow it to get pushed out. Just make sure that it has enough space on the other side to come out through the opening. Okay, so here we go. I am going to push it out. Hopefully you guys can see it. Here it is. So I'm screwing it in and I can see that the pin is out. Okay, so now let's just retract the tool back. You can tell as I take it out, the pin is now out. This is basically the goal. All we had to do is remove this little pin. So here it is guys, that's the pin. You can now resize, adjust your bracelet or your watch. You could also just use the base here to push the pin back in if you wanted to. And it is flush mounted. Let's also see if we could remove one of the pins on my Fossil watch right here. You have a good amount of space here on the base for something wider like this watch because these bracelets are pretty thin. So let's see, I have a couple links here. I just take one of these corner ones out. Okay. I'm going to find the groove here. Put it in. It's in there. Now all I have to do is just turn it a little bit and wait for it to come out on the other side. And I see the pin right there. It is coming out. Let's retract back the screw. And you could see I was able to remove the pin. From here on in, you could basically take it out, adjust the bracelet size, whatever you need. Very clever little device for $5. I highly recommend you guys buy this if you wear watches and sometimes they're just a little bit loose or a little bit tight, whatever the case may be. Thanks so much for watching. Till next time.